Welcome to the PFaaS Proximity Finder as a Service, or PFaaS tool, created by KETOS. PFaaS stands for per and polyfluoroalkyl substances and are a man-made group of chemicals that have been manufactured and used in a variety of industries around the globe since the 1940s. There is evidence that exposure to PFaaS can lead to adverse human health effects such as cancer, kidney disease, and so on. PFaaS are also called forever chemicals because they persist in our environment for a very long time without degrading, which makes them especially dangerous. Due to the amount of health risk and contamination that could be in our water supply, KETOS is working with public utilities all over the United States to make real-time PFaaS detection possible. We've released the Proximity Finder tool to help utility companies and the general public estimate the risk of exposure to PFaaS chemicals that may show up in their tap water. Here's how to use our PFaaS tool to find out which areas may be at risk of PFaaS contamination. On the top right of the screen, you'll find a search box where you can enter a city name, address, or any other location that you may be interested in. Hit the return button. The PFaaS tool will show a list of the nearest public water supplies, or PWS, nearby that were sampled and tagged as contaminated by the EPA. You can also see a risk rating for the entered location, the nearby public water supplies that have detectable PFaaS levels, and a list of nearby industrial facilities that are known to or suspected to be associated with PFaaS contamination. Ultimately, you can use the PFaaS Proximity Finder as a service tool to determine your level of risk and the level of risk of communities' exposure to PFaaS contamination. If you find that you live in an area of high risk, we recommend contacting your water company to find out more about their efforts in combating PFaaS. If you're part of a utility company that wants to know more about real-time PFaaS detection, contact us at info@ketos.co. That's info@ketos.co. This Proximity Finder tool is powered by KETOS, which is an environmental data-as-a-service platform allowing businesses, policymakers, and researchers reduce their time to find insights from days to minutes. If you'd like to know more about PRISM or get access to the dataset, please contact us at info@ketos.co or apply for a trial on the PRISM landing page on ketos.co.